Are there any techniques you're struggling with right now? Do you know what your signature look is? Do you feel stuck or are you growing? Well, if you want help, I can guide you step by step. Yes, I'm hosting a private workshop here in my studio. We only take 6 people, and what we do is we go through looks that you have created. So how does that work? We start off with a coaching session. You and I discuss what you're doing right now, and we plan your signature looks. We design. You come into my studio, we recreate the looks. After you've been with me, you then have a second coaching call, and we evaluate all that you have done, and we look at new goals. We also help you with a third coaching call to look at your social media and give you advice and guidance. So it's a wonderful blend of coaching and live training here in my studio. I know you'll enjoy it and it'll be a whole lot of fun. Check out the information below and we will see you soon.